Welcome to Marine Max Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2014 Grady-White 336 Canyon. This is a Marine Max trade-in. This boat is powered by Twin Yamaha 350 4-stroke engines. Coming through the transom door, you've got a freshwater sprayer, a very large transom fish box, fold down bench seat. Here behind the helm, you will see a live well and a secondary live well. Also has a cutting board and a freshwater sprayer, a place for knives, lures, a drawer, lockable, also for tackle. Make your way forward here at the helm, you'll see 3-row seating. This boat on the electronics has brand new Garmin 8616 screens, bow thruster, windshield washer and wiper, Bennett trim tabs with indicator, and a digital Yamaha gauge. Up here in the electronics box, you'll see an Icom VHF radio. Coming through down in the cabin, you'll have a fusion stereo, your main electronics panel, storage compartment, a head, and a very spacious sleeping area. Moving forward, you'll see a nice cushion area forward of the console. Up in the bow, removable bow cushions, fish boxes that drain overboard by gravity, and finally a through-hole windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of our 2014 Grady-White 336 Canyon. Come see us at Marine Max Pensacola.